A very good morning to one and all. So in the previous class, we have seen what is planning. Okay, what is the need of planning? We have seen and features. We can say nature. We can say or characteristics. We can say. Okay, so we have completed this. Okay, next we are having the next concept, that is importance of planning. Okay, why planning is important? Okay, through planning what importance we will get. Okay, I think first point we have completed. Okay, see, first point is planning provide direction. Okay, direction means we can say one kind of way, we can say, or disha we can say. Okay, planning ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೂ one kind of way ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. Okay, what kind of directions we can say means where is our target. Okay, to achieve target it shows the direction. Okay, for that we call as a planning provide direction means we can say one kind of ways, dhari we can say, or we can say disha. Okay, uh, if any target we want to complete. Okay, planning shows us direction in which way we can achieve our target. Okay, by stating in advance how work is to be done. Okay, planning provides direction for any actions. Okay, to complete any task. Okay, means how to complete the work, planning shows us direction. Okay, planning shows us directions. For that purpose our goals and objectives should be clear. Okay, to achieve anything, first of all the goal, we can say, the objectives we can say, it should be clear. Then only planning shows us directions. Okay, if goals are well defined, employees are aware of that, the organizations uh, the organization has to do, and they must to achieve the goals. If any company want to achieve anything, first we will decide the goals. If the goals are fixed, if the goals are fixed, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ goals employees ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ. If employees goal ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ what organization want to achieve, means easily we can achieve the goal. Okay, departments we can say and individuals in the organizations are able to work in coordination. If there was no planning, employees would be work in different directions. Okay, and the organizations would not be able to achieve the goals. Okay, to work to work in we can say coordination, to work in uh, teamwork, there should be a proper planning. If proper planning ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ನಮ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಅದು ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಥ್ರೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ದ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ the goals and objectives should be known, and there should be a proper planning. If proper planning ittandre nam directions easily sigtav. If you don't know how to work means we cannot get the direction. This was the first importance. Okay, planning provides directions. If nam mind ಒಳಗೆ proper goals ಅದಾವ, okay, proper objectives ittandre directly ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ directions ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ, we can do the work. If there is no planning ಬರಬ್ಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಬರಬ್ಬರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ future risks we can say, or uncertainty. Risks means we can say here we have planning reduces the risks of the uncertainty. Risks under we can say a loss. Okay, future loss ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, future loss. Risks means we can say loss. Uncertainty means which we have not seen. Okay, uncertainty ಅಂದ್ರೆ which we have not seen. What happens tomorrow ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, risks means we can say loss. Risk means loss. Uncertainty means tomorrow what happens, we don't know. For that purpose, planning ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, risk ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು uncertainty ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Means planning prepares the organizations to fall uncertainty. Okay, I think everyone is understanding the concept. Planning ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಏನ್ reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, risk reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Okay, risk means a loss, we can say. Uncertainty means risks of uncertainty. Uncertainty means what happens tomorrow, we don't know. Okay, future what happens, we don't know. If there is a proper planning, if proper planning ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು risk ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, uncertainty ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, planning is an activity which enables a manager to look ahead and anticipate changes. Anticipate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಆದಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, by deciding in advance the tasks to be performed, planning shows the way to deal with changes and uncertain events. Change and events cannot be eliminated, but they can be anticipated, and managerial response to them can be developed. For example, this COVID, ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು that in 2020 the COVID will come. It is like uncertainty. If there is a proper planning means, if the advance ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ planning reduces the uncertainty. Means a planning should be prepared in a such a way that the organization, or we can say company, should not face any problems in futures. Okay, adu agbodu. Next we have planning promotes innovative ideas. Okay, since planning is a first function of management, new ideas can take the shape of concrete plans means actual plan. Okay, it is a most challenging activity for the management as it guides all future actions leading to the growth and prosperity. Prosperity means wealth of the business, health. Prosperity means we can say health, proper health ಇರ್ಬೋದು of the business. Okay, planning ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್. Basically it is a foundation. Planning is a foundation. With first we cannot do organizing. First we should do planning, then we should do organizing. First of all, if you do a proper planning means every mind, it may be top level, middle level, lower level managers kade new ideas ಬರ್ತಾವ. Okay, new creativity ideas ಬರ್ತಾವ, through which in future what ideas will be done. Okay, future to change anything ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ new ideas ಬರ್ತಾವ, new creativity things ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅವರು ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಫಾರ್ ವೆನ್ they have started their business, Amazon. Okay, first what it was the procedure, first we should make payment, then they will deliver the goods and services. When they came into India, they have changed the structure. Okay, other new ideas bantu, because we Indians does not accept. Okay, ಮೊದಲು ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಅದು ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ they have came up with the cash on delivery. Same way proper planning ನಾವು ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ, ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, that we call as a planning promotes new ideas. Okay, next we have planning facilitates decision making. Okay, planning helps the manager to look in the future and make a choice from among various alternative course of actions. Alternative means course of action means various options, other ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು decisions ತಗೋಬಹುದು. The manager has to evaluate each alternative and select the most valuable proportion. Planning involves setting targets and predicting future conditions, thus help in taking rational decisions. Okay, to achieve any target, in the company, we should make a good decisions. Okay, these decisions will be taken by the top level management. Okay, very to achieve target, to achieve any target. Okay, first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು planning ನಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ to take a good decision. Okay, to choose a various alternative. Okay, to select the most thing through which we can develop our company. ಅಂದ್ರೆ planning facilitates decision making, means to achieve any target. ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಎನಿ ಗೋಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಎನಿ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇನ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಓಕೆ, next we have the same point, but I forgot to right. See, next we have planning ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಏನ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್, wait a minute, planning reduce overlapping. Okay, overlapping and wasteful activities. Okay, planning reduce overlapping and wasteful activities. The same point I have written. Okay, next point we have planning reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಏನ್ reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದ, overlapping. Overlapping means same method. Okay, same method to do same thing. ಅದು ಒಂದು reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Next, wasteful activities. I think everyone is understand. Next point, important point is planning ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಏನ್ reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದ, overlapping. Overlapping means same plan ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, same method, same work ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. With clear indication in plan what is to be done. Okay, who will do it. Same work will not done by two people. Okay, first of all I will explain once again. Planning ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದ. Okay, ಏನ್ reduce ಮಾಡ್ತದ, overlapping ಅಂದ್ರೆ some company ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, to achieve any target ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೇಸ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, we should not do that. With, if you have any a proper clear picture we have in mind what is to be done, okay, easily we can reduce the wasteful activities. So this were the importance. Next we have a limitation of planning. Okay, planning we have a number of importance, we have features, we have. Okay, next, planning the disadvantages. No, though. Okay, disadvantages, we can say planning leads to rigidity. Okay, plan rigidity means fix, plan fix ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ನಡೆದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಮ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಸಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಚಲೋ ಅನ್ನಸಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. they will not change that. For that purpose we have told that planning is a continuous process. For that purpose new implementations, new ideas now ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ರಿಜಿಡಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಮತ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, plans were drawn, huge cost involved of the time, money bhal hotadalla. To prepare any plan we can see planning ideas ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ ನಾವು time waste ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, money we should involve in that. For that purpose planning involves huge cost, huge amount require ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, ಮತ್ planning ಏನೈತಿ, time consuming process ಐತಿ. time consuming process, huge time require ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, sometimes plans to be drawn up to take much of time and there is no much time left for the implementations. Okay, planning in the continuous process is the, if continuous process in the time consuming it. Okay, it requires huge time. Now time alle waste madidre implementation madogu time sigalla. For that purpose we can say that a planning is a time consuming process. So these were the importance, we can say, or disadvantages or limitations of planning. Next we have types of plan. Okay, plan again two types of divide again. One is standing used plan. Okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದ single used plan. Okay, next topic ಐತ್ರಿ types of plan. Okay, two types of plan we have. Okay, divide ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. One is standing use plan, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದ single used plan. Okay, single used plan ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಒಳಗೆ we have policies. Okay, we have procedures, and we have method, and we have rules. Okay, apart from this, two another types of plan we have: objectives and strategies. Idu yaadolage baralla. They neither they come on standing use plan, or neither they come on single use plan. Okay, one types of another one objective, one strategy. Idu bare types of plan adav. Innond bartav mat divide agyav. Standing use plan ಮತ್ತು single use plan adolage mat types bartav. Okay, so today I will start with the first type of plan, that is objective. Okay, objective means we can say uddesh. Okay, in Kannada we can say what to uddesh. Objective means we can say uddesh. To run our any organization, business, there is an object, means to achieve anything. That is our objective. First type of plan we have objective. Okay, objective andre enri to run our organization or a business. We can say one objective ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟಾಪ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ನಿಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ BCom, I want to become an entrepreneur, I want to work in any organization, in any company. Same a company do one objective iರ್ತದೆ. Okay, objective should be smart. Okay, objective should be smart, that not smart looking smart. Okay, SMART. Okay, I think everyone is understanding objective to run any company and organization. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಂಪನಿ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, for that purpose objective should be smart. SMART, smart. Okay, S stand for specific. Okay, M stand for measurable. Okay, A stand for achievable. Okay, R stand for relevant. Okay, T stand for time bound. Okay, to set any objective ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. First we have specific. Okay, ನಮ್ದು objective ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, specific. Okay, for example, I want to manufacture a mobile. Okay, ನಮ್ದು objective ಇರಬೇಕು, specific ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, for best example I will take a remote. Okay, specific nodri, where for example we are making a remote. Okay, remote the button types ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, color ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು, what equipments we should use. Okay, what size should be there. ಅದು objective first ನಾವು specific ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, for that we call as a specific. Same way, like if you want to example I'm giving specific. Okay, specific means, for example, if you have manufacturing any remote, okay, TV remote you want to manufacturing. Okay, other size hang now hang irbeku adu irbeku. Okay, what color we should give. Okay, what kind of buttons we want to put in that remote. adu object num specific irbeku. If specific illandre hengadre manufacture madadre hang madak baralla. To manufacture anything, any goods and services, first ನಮ್ objective specific ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು want to manufacture any laptops. Okay, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮೊದಲು ನೋಡಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವು, ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಿನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ನಮ್ದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. Okay, I think everyone is understanding specific ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. Okay, next bರ್ತದೆ measurable. Okay, measurable. Okay, measurable means suppose some objective should be like that, should be measurable in terms of number. Okay, first now specific ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Okay, we want to manufacture remotes. Okay, if we want to manufacture a remote, ನಮ್ objective specific ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, how the color should be there, remote ಒಳಗೆ buttons ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, and next what the color should be there, what the size should be there. If ಅದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮೇಜರೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನಾವು ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ನಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮೇಜರೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, next we have achievable. Okay, next we have achievable means objective should be like that, should be achieved. Okay, it should not be forcefully. Okay, now when an objective fix ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅದು forcefully ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, it should be for a profit basis. Okay, so may remote manufacture ಮಾಡೋದು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, measurable ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, how much the remote we have manufactured, whether in market or it have sold or not. Okay, next we have relevant. Yes, completed with specific, measurable, achievable. Next we have relevant. Okay, nam the objective ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು, relevant ಇರಬೇಕು. For example, in 2021, okay, we have manufactured 4 lakh remotes. Next year ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಡಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Not this time like we will do 3 lakh. See, relevant means for example in 2021, okay, we have manufactured 4 lakh television remotes. But 2022 ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋದ ಸಲ 4 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು, ಈ ಸಲ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು. It should be relevant, but double ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 4 lakh or 8 lakh units of remote now manufacture ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That we call as a relevant. Okay, next last we have time bound. Okay, time bound means at what period ಇದನ್ನು objective set ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Okay, at what time period, whether we have taken 5 years, 10 years, short term we have taken or long term time we have taken to achieve the objective, that we call as a time bound. Okay, ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ case studies ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, explain the types of plan ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Okay, first one was objective. I think everyone is understand what is objective. Every organization in it, there will be some objective. Okay, to run an organization there should be anything objective fix irbeku. Objectives heng irbeku, smart irbeku. Okay, smart means specific, measurable, achievable. Okay, relevant. Next we have time bound. Specific andre nam objective specific ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಎನಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಎನಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. First we should decide how the goods means how the product should be there. Okay, what colors we should mix. Okay, adu specific irbeku. What we have specific adu measurable irbeku. Now in goods and services fix madidru adu measurable irbeku. Next achievable irbeku, whether we have achieved or not. If no means once again we should plan it. Okay, relevant. Okay, nam the objective relevant irbeku. For example, this time we have manufactured 10 lakhs of remotes. Next time double ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, decrease ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next ಬರುತ್ತೆ time bound. Time bound means at what period ನಮ್ objective ನಾವು finish ಮಾಡಿನಿ. Okay, whether we have taken long term, short term or medium term time we have taken, ಅದು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Okay, next we have some features of objectives. Okay, ಇದು this usually set by top level management. Objective ಯಾರು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are fixed by the top level management. Okay, ಮತ್ determine what is to be done. Okay, determine ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ what is to be done. So this was about the objective. Okay,